Limited. Let's do it. I need to get myself a laptop. I don't have to look at my phone here. Okay, Limited is a pretty good product. Lower end for football, but still about $550, $600 you can get up to right now. 3 packs. Yeah, 5 cards per pack. Rookie patch auto. Focus. Yeah. Alright. Let's do it. Start off with skinny first, and then we're end on thickest. Alright, good luck there, guys. I'm really excited to hit some bangers. Starting off strong with Josh Allen, base. Tua. Excited to see what he can do next year. Oh. And then we got Panini points. 900 actually. That's not bad. That's not bad getting the points. It kind of sucks to get points, but you know what? 900 points. Okay. Taylor Haneke. This is base. Ooh. And Justin Herbert making a scene here. Our limited. I'm not sure what to call this one. So gold foil, I guess. Non-numbered. All right, first one out of the way. So somebody who get the 900 points, I will random it off tomorrow. Cooks. David Montgomery. So we got something here. Oh, got it the wrong way again. Ooh. Okay, we've seen a lot of him. Kyle Trask backing up Tom Brady. You know, might not be so bad. In our patch auto, 35 out of 99, one color, going out to your Bucks. Going out to your Bucks, not bad. Darren Waller and Williams in the back. Potential for that one. Hold on to that card. Not worth selling right now, but you know, backing up Tom Brady. Is he third string? Third string? Well, either way, hold on to it. Still learning from the best. All right, Nick Chubb, 63 out of 75, going out to your Browns. Kirk Cousins, play action material. 1 of 25 for your Minnesota Vikings. 1 of 25 for your Minnesota Vikings. There we go, not bad. 2-color patch, really nice 2-window patch. Kirk Cousins and Justin Jefferson, sorry. I guess one is one. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Hard to see it with the purple. Justin Jefferson on one and Kirk Cousins for the other. That's nice. Game worn material. Not a bad hit. Not a bad hit at all going out to your Vikings. Best mediocre quarterback ever. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of Kirk Cousins, but Justin Jefferson, not a bad hit at all. And it being 1 of 25 and player worn material. There's very few player worn material now in the product right now, so that is pretty cool. That is a nice patch. Very nice. And our Nick Chubb. Our base in the back. Alright, very nice patch. Sure, we're throwing them up for now. But I have a feeling we're going to replace it. Alright, playoff. So, we're hoping to hit lightning twice. That card that we did pull, the preview to contenders, graded a perfect 10. And, yeah, that's a big card now. That is a really big card now. So, hopefully we can do that again with either Burrows or another Herbert. Okay, 2 autos, 2 mems. We got 12 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Alright. Good luck there, guys. Good luck. Especially the guys that got Burrow or Herbert. Tony Gonzalez. Oh, we got a die cut after this one. I thought it was a die cut. No. Rookie Wave, Cam Akers. They're not bad. Super Bowl winner. Lynn Bowden Jr. Oh. Alright, Barry Sanders. And just base. And Kid Reporter. I'll do it the rookie wave. We'll do the other single ones at the end. Alright, let's keep this going. Starting off strong, Peyton Manning. Oops. Crowder. And call to arms, Ben Roethlisberger. Let's insert. Noah Ingebrigtsen. Sure. Debo. And base just in the back. Oh, Landon Collins was actually a numbered card. This was first down, sorry. 9 of 99. Landon Collins. For your Washington Commanders. My cats are absolutely going bonkers around me. Lock. Thunder and Lightning. DeAndre Hopkins and Kyler Murray. Very nice. Non-numbered. And Cephas. Rookie there for your lines. Oh, there's Theismann, Drew Brees, and Amari Cooper base. Next week is the draft. I'm excited for that. I've been holding off on that one product that I got here to, because it has the 2020 guys, or 2021 guys. Sorry, 2022 guys. And yeah, looking to busting that open to see where they land. Antonio Gandy Golden for your Washington Commanders. Rookie wave. And Edwards Hilaire, running back for your Kansas City Chiefs rookie. Alright, still haven't hit an auto, still haven't hit a mem. Oh, here we go. Oh, this looks like a nice one. We have 4. Boom, your Cowboys. Trevion Diggs. There we go, your auto, your first auto. Trevion Diggs, rookie auto. J.J. Watt behind the numbers. Oh, Jordan Love, rookie. There we go. You know what? I'm thinking about buying some Jordan Love cards because I think he's one a player not to really sleep on, and will eventually start playing. I've been watching them on eBay. There's a few at my local card shop too that I've been thinking about pulling the trigger on. Definitely. Jordan Love going out to your Packers. Congrats to whoever has the Cowboys. Not a bad hit to hit. Non-numbered though, which is odd. But good start. Lots of hype around them. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Not bad. 4th down. 2 of 10 for your Steelers. Chase Claypool. Very nice. That is a banger. That is a banger. And then DeAndre Swift, your rookie there for your Lions. Also not a bad player. Nate Stanley, a rookie for your Vikings. Very nice. That is a banger of a card. Two of 10. 4th down. Chase Claypool. Going out to your Steelers. Very Very nice. Nice hit. Nice hit. We'll take down Jordan Love for that. You know what? We'll take down Herbert for Jordan Love. Let's switch those back around. Gotta give Jordan Love some love, you know? Any Washington? Yeah, we've hit a few Washington cards actually. A few numbered ones too. Nothing massive yet, but there's been a few Washington cards. Oh, do we have a redemption here? Oh. Okay. Steelers and Raiders. Rod Woodson, cornerback. Here we go. 2 color, 2 window for your Steelers and your Raiders. Pat Tillman for your Cardinals, behind the numbers. And Hamler, rookie, for your Broncos. And your base in the back. Changing stripes. Very nice. Put that off to the side there. Five packs to go. Hunter Renfrow. Oh. I got excited there for a second. 72 out of 99. First down, Hunter Henry. I got excited there for a second. Behind the numbers, Aaron Rodgers. And none of the big rookie quarterbacks. Sorry, and Jedrick Wills. None of the big quarterbacks, but so far we hit a few of the top guys with Jordan Love and Claypool. Lindsay, Hubbard. Oh, looks like this is going to be our auto. Joe Thomas for our Browns. Sorry about that. It's a little COVID. And Thunder and Lightning. Barkley and Slayton. And our rookie Cole McDonald. And our base in the back. Joe Thomas going out to your Browns. Alright, 3 more packs to go. 3 more packs to go. I do have, I could bring in more of this product too. We could keep trying for those big cards again. If you guys are interested, if you guys like this product, let me know. Drew Lock, Call to Arms for for your Broncos. Not there anymore. James Morgan for your Jets. And your base, Jerry Wright and Godwin. Philip Rivers, Sonny Michael, oh, second down. Going out to your Cowboys again. Cowboys are having themselves a break here. Second down out of 49, Dak Prescott, 8 of 49. Double jersey number, right? Just times it by 2, and there you go. Oh, here we go. He makes an appearance there, guys. Joe Burrow, your rookie wave for your Bengals. There we go. We get a Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow rookie. Rookie wave. Non-numbered. Very nice. And Brandon Ayuk. Brandon Ayuk. A Joe Burrow rookie card coming out. Very nice. Which was numbered. Alright, one more pack. One more pack and then we do Playbook. Hoping for some big stuff in Playbook. Really like Playbook. Really quick rip. Only 4 cards. But potential for some big stuff. Read. Here we go. Tua. Going out to your Miami Dolphins. Turning pro. Non-numbered. But still one of the big guys we'd like to see. Tua and Burrows. Not bad. Not bad for this box, you know. This box is, it's not like it's the most expensive box. So to get those 2 big rookies there, that's nice. Tom Brady behind the numbers too. Very nice. And Thomas for your Giants. Alright guys, Playbook. The main event of the evening. Move that over. Alright guys, only 4 cards. You can get some really nice low-numbered booklets. I did hit a Justin Fields out of this myself. And yeah, out of 25. So you can definitely get some good stuff. Mac Jones, if you hit Mac Jones, I'm buying. Yeah. Anyway, 1 box, or 1 pack. 4 cards. 4 mems or on the seam. Ooh, that one looks shiny. This could be a good one. I don't want to say for sure, but we're going to use Brandon Ayuk there to cover it up. First one up, your Hot Routes. Hardman Jr. for your Kansas City. 209 out of 299. For your Kansas City Chiefs. Ooh, this one's nice. And for a team that's been doing very well for your Cowboys, CeeDee Lamb, 134 out of 299 for your Hot Routes. color. Oh my god, we hit a really nice booklet here, guys. We had a really nice booklet. Okay, auto. Oh, 10 of 10. Frank Darby. This is a nice box there, guys. You guys picked a good one. Fuck, just got here, late arrival. Well, I think you're in time for the main event there, Kyle. Very nice. 10 of 10 in your green variation rookie playbook. Frank Darby going out to your Falcons. Very nice. And we hit a big rookie there, guys, for the playbook. I don't know what it's numbered to, but I know it's a big boy. Take down Chase there for now. All right, guys, you guys ready for this? This is really good. This is really good. I'm buying. Whoever won this, I might have to offer you something. From your Bengals Rookie of the Year, number 2 of 10, Jamar Chase. Oh my. Look at that. Look at that patch. On-card auto. Very nice. Look at that. Who was that? Come on. Give me a yell there, guys. Whoever has the Bengals, let me know. Wow, look at that. 2 of 10. Look at that patch. 3 color. Very, very nice. Is that you, Wade? Oh, congrats there, Wade. Treat that one gently, absolutely. I got a 1-touch for it. I don't have it on me right here, but I got one upstairs. As soon as I get off stream there, I will put this into the 1-touch for these cards. Yeah, that is an absolute beauty. Look at that. I am jealous. I am so jealous. You can buy a lot of caps with that one. Yeah. Yeah, that is a very nice. 2 of 10. Very, very, very nice. We're going to close it up here. We're going to place it right there for now. Alright, guys. Successful break, I think. We definitely hit some really nice cards. Let's run down some of the big ones here. I do have a lot of the smaller cards to get through, but we'll run down some of the bigger ones here. Hardman Jr. for your Chiefs. Hot Ropes. CD Lamb at a $2.99. Your Hot Ropes. 1 of 25 dual jerseys game used for Jefferson and Cousins for your Vikings. Your Tom Brady behind the numbers. Your Dak Prescott out of 49. Your Jordan Love base. Joe Thomas auto for your Browns. Hunter Henry at a 99 for your Chargers. Rod Woodson there, your changing stripes for your Steelers and your Raiders. Justin Herbert there, just base. Nick Chubb, 63 out of 75. Your Chase Claypool rookie, number 2 of 10. Very nice. Turning Pro, 1 color patch, Tua. Your Frank Darby, 10 of 10 in your green emerald. Trevion Diggs, rookie auto. Your patch auto Kyle Trask for your Buccaneers. Your rookie wave. Your rookie wave, Joe Burrow. Rookie. You got Brandon Ayuk underneath rookie, and your Jamar Chase, 2 of 10 on card book auto 3-color patch. Very nice. Very, very nice. 2 of 10. Alright, guys. Thanks for the fill and everything. Always do really appreciate it. We got a lot of stock we can definitely run through. And catch you guys on the next one. Alright, later, guys. Well, sports fans, that brings us to the end of our video. And if you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Now, if you're a fan of cards, jerseys, or sports memorabilia in general, come hang out with us over our Facebook group. Facebook group name is Victory Sports Memorabilia. There'll be a link below, and on it you're going to find a very large active community where we break every single day. Well, hopefully we see you there. Alright guys, take it easy and stay safe.